I finally did it. I got the P.Louise Budget Box. If you want to see what's in February's box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit just left the room and Chloe's not feeling well. So it's just me, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the P.Louise Budget Box. This does come from the UK. I believe this is the February box, so this one would not currently be available. The March box is en route, so living in the US, there is a little bit of a delay, so you get it tend to get it more towards the end of the month than at the beginning of the month. And this just came in actually in March. So based upon when I ordered it, of course, took a little bit longer to get out to me. But this box was the one that when I saw it advertised, I said, okay, I got to give this a try. So this is a small independent company. And again, it's out of the UK. She has a makeup line, a skincare line. So you could get pretty much anything goes in your box, although it is usually themed from my understanding. And this one is Somebunny Loves You. So here is your little sneak peek as to what's inside. It is 3 boxes, but one of them has 3 items in there. So that would give us a total of 5 items. So this is on the pricier side, but that also has to do with getting it shipped to the US as well as any taxes and tariffs. So the very first thing I'm pulling out is the Hop Drops. This is the Bunny Bronze Bronzing Drops. Now I do have other P.Louise items. I've just never gotten their budget box. And I've always loved everything. I do find that a lot of their palettes are on the neutral shade range, which is what kind of inhibited me from getting the box. But then I saw this one and I was like, that is so cute. So here is the delivery mechanism, and let's get a little drop on there. That's it, just lightly rubbed in. Okay, and there it is all rubbed in, and lighting is not great today. So you can see it's very, very light. You can barely see it. It's just really giving a little bit of a bronze glow, not overdoing it so it's not going to look ridiculous, particularly if you are fair skinned. And these bronze drops are a pretty popular thing. So I originally got the Drunk Elephant ones about a year ago, and recently I've gotten them in subscription boxes from First Aid Beauty and e.l.f. So now I have a P.Louise one. And I do want to show you, I don't know if you saw this, but on the inside of the box, how cute is those little bunnies, huh? Or are those little bunnies? So, so pretty. Next is a lip trio. This is the Too Cute to Kiss and Tell Nude Lip Oil Set. And we have pink marshmallow, strawberry shortcake, and chocolate covered strawberries. So first we're going to look at this one, which I'm going to guess is the pink marshmallow. And just stunning, stunning packaging. Oh, it smells so good. So this is really going to be just more of a clear, glossy shine. Next is our strawberry shortcake. So compared to the chocolate covered strawberries, you can see this one's a bit darker. Ooh, that does smell like strawberry shortcake. Right, again, just a very sheer wash of color. You can see it's just a little bit darker than the other one, but still pretty sheer, nice everyday. And last we have our chocolate covered strawberries. Chocolatey. you can see the 3 different shades. They're all pretty nude, just a little wash of color. So this is not as dark as it looks. I know you see it and you're like, I don't want my lips to look like chocolate. They won't. Again, it's going to be just a sheer color. Now these are very lightweight and hydrating. I've used these before. They're not sticky. I have several other I guess flavors of these, and they're also very nourishing. So what do they have in there? And last is our palette. So this is a whole face palette. I mean, this is a big guy right here. It's so cute. So on this side, we have our shadows, and they have some adorable imprints with bunnies and eggs, and we've got mattes, we've got shimmers, we've got neutrals, but we also have some pops of color. So we start with our pinks and go down to our kind of oranges and yellows. We've got some darker shades in there. I'm going to swatch some of these, but I want to show you this side. Now this side, these are your cream products. You can use them on your eyes, and your lips, on your cheeks. And then in here, and look, we've got that bunny imprint. We have some brushes and some base. Right, so there's your little base, and you're going to use that on eyes. And it is going to be this color. So a little bit of this stuff goes a really long way. So there's that little pinprick. And that little pinprick is going to cover your whole eye. So I don't know if you can kind of make out the difference between where it is and where it isn't, because I did blend it in pretty good. But I wanted to do that so you can get a feel for how that's going to look. So when you create an all over canvas on your eyes, a one color canvas, it does help the colors you're going to put on pop out. Now, I don't do it every day. I tend to do it more when I'm doing makeup looks, but it also helps it stay. And the only reason I don't do it every day is because I'm tired in the morning. So here is that top row. So that very first one is very light. It's a nice topper though. It's going to give you some nice sparkle, particularly if you don't want to do a darker color or a more pigmented color like right there, and you just want to do a little topper, or you want to put it right up here on the brow bone. But oh, the sparkle in there is just something else. Here is that next row. So we have some lighter colors and some more darker colors, but that shimmer, oh, that shimmer. Okay, there is the next row. Again, we're going to have some very light and some more pigmented. Next row. Right now we're starting to head towards those browns. And that last row of shadows, my hand is super sparkly now. Now I'm not going to swatch all of the creams, but I do want to show you a couple. So the first one I want to show you is that yellow one. Now that is something you can use right on the under eyes, right? So that's really good for getting rid of some of the discoloration. If you have a little bit more purplies in there, you maybe want to use the peach one, which I put next to it, right? That's typically the color that I use, something with a little bit more peach in there to get that under eye area. And you could also use this as a lip color or as a cheek color, but this is a very light color. So when we're looking at something that maybe we want to do more like a lip color, there's this gorgeous burgundy in here, which would be great for the lips, but also buffed out, you're going to have a gorgeous cheek color. So a lot of fun. You can kind of play with all of the different cream colors. I love cream products. You also have 3 little mini brushes in here, and the P.Louise brushes are always very, very nice. And I have a full set from an advent calendar, not this past year, but the year before. This past year with the tariffs, it was just outside of my price range. It was almost $500 after taxes and tariffs. So I didn't get it this past year. We'll see what 2026 holds as far as, you know, what that looks like when that time comes. But it is a great advent calendar. I'm trying to show you guys a bunch of different ones, so I focused on a few others this year. And if you look back, you can see the one I got 2 years ago. The presentation is amazing. The amount of products you get, amazing. And even though this is 3 products, there's really 5 products in here, or you could say 8, because you've got a full eye shadow palette, a full face palette, and then you have the mini brushes and the mini base for your eyes. So I mean, I think this really is worth the price. I recently started getting the FabFitFun Beauty Edit, and I wasn't really as impressed with it. I just don't really know that you're getting your bang for your buck. I mean, you're definitely getting more than you put in, but I don't feel like the choices are very exciting, or I struggle to choose an item because I'm like, I don't really, I've got this, I've got that, you know, I've gotten those in my boxes. So this, I think, is very unique. I really enjoy it. We'll see. I like to do 3 months of a box to make a decision. Does it stay? Does it go? And you guys let me know, do you enjoy seeing this? Okay, well, that's all I have for now. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.